your box to page 10, and let's begin with our new lesson here, 4 and 5. Conversation, of course, unit 1. Conversation and what? And listening. Conversation and listening. Don't mind the picture in your book and the picture here. It is the same conversation. Okay? Just the picture is changed, but the rest is the same. Here we are going to listen to this conversation. After finishing our lesson, you should practice this conversation with yourself. It's better with a friend or brother or sister, but if you don't have the chance to do so, do it by yourself. Okay? Just for practice. Let's listen, then we'll discuss the conversation together. Okay? Let's listen. Bismillah.
What are you doing, Kara?
I'm texting Maria. I haven't seen her all week, so I'm just saying hi.
What's that beep?
It's Maria. She just sent a text message back to me.
I don't understand. How on earth do you type what you want to say so quickly?
You don't actually type the words out. You use abbreviations and acronyms. Hold on, I'll show you. Right now, I'm asking if she wants to come over and hang out.
That's a lot to type.
Right. So instead, I type DYWT, come OVR. Does that make sense?
DYWT? What does that mean?
DYWT means do you want to? It's the first letter of each word.
Oh, okay. Now what?
She'll respond in a second. There.
What did she say?
GR8, BOVR, N, 10, MINS.
I think I get it. She's saying, great, be over in 10 minutes.
Now you've got the hang of it, Grandma.
Okay? You see the idea here? It is here using what we call, say, abbreviations and acronyms. As you see here, this is what we mean by abbreviations and acronyms. DYWT. Do you want to come over? You see? Instead of writing all the words, I think that you do it in your daily life. So, what's important here, the conversation, of course, you must, you should, you should practice it together with a friend, with your sister, with your brother, with yourself even. And also here we have, as you see, we have some words which are written in blue. What are these? These are expressions. Expressions, what we call real talk. Usually people use it while they are talking to each other, which means something. We say, how on earth? What does it mean? How is it possible? You see? Hold on, it means wait a moment. Hang out, it means spend time together, informally. نروح نتمشى يعني. Get it, understand. So I get it, يعني I understand it. Got the hang of it, it means started to understand something. You see? يعني بديت أفهم. Okay. You see? This conversation, it's not difficult. You see? Let's see the exercise or the questions which are on this conversation. In pair, ask and answer the questions, then switch roles. We don't have in pairs now, so just do it alone. What doesn't the grandmother understand? شو اللي مش فاهمته كانت؟ Yes? Mhm. Yes, yes, that's right. The grandmother doesn't understand how Kara types a text message so quickly. How was she typing quickly? Why? Because she was using abbreviations and acronyms. What acronym does the grandmother learn? What did she learn? What texting acronyms do you use? You yourself. How do you use acronyms? Usually when you type letters to your friend. Let's see. What acronyms? The last one اللي هي فيها 8. The grandmother learns the acronyms اللي هي DWT. Or do you want to? Huh? D. Do you want to? Or do you want to? This is the one. And the one she learned alone, the last one, which has 8. Huh? Great. In 10 minutes, I think. I'll be ready in 10 minutes. The number 3, tell. طبعا of course هنا what texting acronyms do you use? This is for you. Huh? What are the acronyms or the abbreviations that you use yourself? You can just write anything that you usually do. Tell about the time you explained something or learned something new from someone. You write about something that you have learned from someone, anyone, but something that you have learned. And here, for example, the grandmother had learns acronyms, EDYWT. Did you learn not only acronyms, anything that you have learned, newly learned? Okay, let's go on. Let's move to the listening part. Of course, here you have listen to a father talk to his son about using his cell phone. Write the numbers. How many cell phone minutes did Michael think he has used this month? Here you are going to write a number. How many minutes has he actually used? How much does it cost for 900 minutes? How much does each additional minute over the plan cost? How much does Michael's bill add up to this month? How much of the bill does Michael's father suggest to pay? Okay, so all of these are numbers. You are going to write numbers here. I'll make you listen. Just listen carefully and try to put the answers. Only numbers, huh? Okay? Let's see. Continue. Bismillah.
Michael, I want to talk with you.
About what, Dad?
How many minutes do you think you've used on your cell phone so far this month?
I don't know. Maybe 300?
Try 950. I checked our account. We pay $79 for 900 minutes. You've used up the whole family's minutes, and we're only halfway through the month.
No. Really?
Yes, really. And did you know that we pay 40 cents a minute for every minute over our plan? That adds up fast. The extra 50 minutes you have used so far will cost $20.
Wow. Sorry, Dad. I'll cut back on my calls.
Sorry isn't enough. You're 17 years old. You need to start contributing some money towards the cell phone bill.
Ah, Dad. How much?
Since there are 3 people in the family, I think you should pay a third of the bill. And if you use more minutes than we have in our plan, you'll have to pay the extra charges.
Okay. I guess that's fair.
What are you doing?
Calling my friend Tom. I have to tell him about this.
Yes, write your answers. Then I show you my answers. Write your answers. How many cell phone? Not 300. Not 300. The one that the father said. does Michael think? Here, what does Michael think? And here, what really used. This is what Michael said, huh? And this is what he really used. I think it is clear, huh? This one, what Michael thinks. This one, what did his father said. How much does it cost for 900 minutes? The value. Okay, I'll show you the answers. Okay. Yes. 300, 950, $79, $40. Of course, this is 0.40. There's a list one done $1, $20, 1/3. Okay. This is 0.40. This is less than $1. Okay, let's move. Here we have what we call pronunciation. Pronunciation. When counting teen numbers such as 13 and 14, stress the first syllable. Say 17. This one here, you stress the first syllable. Here, you stress the second syllable. Here, the first. Here, the second. Here, the first. Here, the second. The second. The first. The second. The third. The first. The second. Huh? In most other cases, we tend to stress the last syllable in teen numbers. When using these words to talk about quantity, time, money, stress the second one. In 10 numbers such as 20, 30, always stress the first syllable. In 10 numbers, and in 10, you say 10 numbers, listen and repeat. Huh? If you are talking about money, you stress what? The second syllable. This is money. This is quantity. This is time. Numbers, this is numbers. These are numbers. Huh? Okay, just listen and then decide.
That hat cost $17.
Which one? Huh? This one? See? No? Yes? This one? Look.
We pay 40 cents a minute.
40 cents a minute. Again?
We pay 40 cents a minute.
Which one? This one? Let's see. Yes, that's right. This one?
I'll meet you at 5:15.
True. This one? I'll see. Yes. Look here.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Which one? This one? This is a number, huh? Huh? Yes.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Huh?
I
This
have
is-
$30.
This is also a number, huh? Yes. Okay. Let's continue with the vocabulary. What do we have here? Asthma, extraordinary, paramedics, unique, cyber, networking, posted, virtual. Here we have words which are related to computer, synonyms for special. Synonyms mean the same meaning. Huh? Related to health. Asthma, this is health. Asthma, it's in Arabic. Paramedics. Let's see. Yes. What about synonym for special? Special. Unique is a special. Extraordinary. Is it right? Let's see. Yes. The last four we have cyber. You know cyber. Networking. That's right. For sure it is for computer. Posted. You post something. virtual reality. This is also like our lessons. Sometimes we are going to give virtual reality classes. Is that right? Let's see it. Yes, we are right. Okay. See you inshallah in our next lesson. Remember to do the workbook, page 4, I think. Page 4, yes, page 4. Remember to do page 4 in the workbook and send me a photocopy of it. Okay? See you inshallah.